Hello there, welcome to this Year 9 revision video where we're looking at what an operating system is, so let's get going. So first of all, different types of operating system, just some names to be aware of. There's four main operating systems distributors. They are Windows, Android, Apple and Linux, and they all come with their own different names. So for example, Windows, majority of the time it's a numbered version. So for example, Windows 1, Windows 2, Windows 3. They then started to use the years of their release date. So for example, Windows 95, Windows 98. And then at the moment we've got their most latest iteration, Windows 10. Android decided to release their operating systems based on different seats. So at the moment we've got Marshmallow. And then Apple and Linux, I've just put two down there. Apple is iOS, and then one flavour of a Linux is Ubuntu. There are dozens of Linux operating systems which are available for you to play and tinker with. So a computer works because of the operating system. When you turn it on, the ROM fires up and it loads the BIOS, which starts the PC firing up, and then the operating system runs. The operating system kicks into play. So this is the magical thing that happens, that when you turn your PC on and you see the bit of text and then it suddenly appears that Windows is now starting up or iOS is now starting up. To be able to run pretty much anything, you need the operating system because it does so much on the computer. It allows you to interact with the different pieces of hardware that are available on there, and it allows you to control what your PC does. Operating systems are special pieces of software that let you use a computer. It interacts with different hardware, so for example it lets you use keyboards, mice, joysticks, microphones, and also outputs, printers, monitors, speakers, headsets. It allows you to use the computer itself. I've got here manage resources, so it can manage the hard drive capacity for each drive. It can help you manage how the RAM's being used, the ROM's being used, the CPU. It allows you to be able to configure things that you need to be able to be looking at. Then we've got the idea of a driver. When you add a new piece of hardware, you need to use a special piece of software called a driver. Think about it as an instruction set for a new piece of Lego that you've just bought. Without the driver, you don't know, the computer won't know the piece of hardware. Similarly, with the Lego, if you haven't got the instructions, you're going to find it difficult to build it and put it together. I personally, when I build the Lego Death Star, will use the instructions. I wouldn't just open up all the bags and give it a go. Same case with the computer. When you get a new piece of hardware, the computer initially doesn't know what's going on. It doesn't understand that it's a piece of hardware that's being connected to it. The hardware is there and it's ready to be used. So for example, when you get a new graphics card and you plug it in, it doesn't know initially what to do. That's where the drivers come into play. Drivers are special pieces of software that allow you to use a new piece of hardware. So for example, if you go and buy a graphics card, it will come with a CD which will have a driver on it. If you need to update your drivers, you can normally download them straight off from a website. Drivers are important. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Feel free to like, comment and subscribe. Good luck for your tests, and I'll see you in a future video. Bye bye.